Hey Beta, what you doing? Huh? Huh? Hey guys, I figured I didn't post a video for a long time, so I figured I'd just keep you guys updated, and everyone that's joining in with this and watching my YouTube channel, I appreciate it. I'm just gonna be updating you guys with the shed I've been working on. There's a few things that I've actually had some issues with. I've had to actually redo a couple things, fix some things. Here in a little bit I'm gonna have to redo the drip edge, that kind of thing. So I thought I would just keep you guys posted. So this gives you kind of an idea what's going on, and here we go. We got some good options, good stuff here. I'm trying to get everything figured out. Got this door on a few months back before all the other crap came in. Pretty decent in here. Made a workbench. I kind of thought I should have put it on that side, because now realizing it after going through this, I was actually planning on putting a window here. I thought about putting it over here, but the door opens that wide, so there's not much sense to that. So I need to fix that. And then here I'm going to be redoing the hinges on this, because there's a bolt here that's sticking out. That's not going to hold up very long just through that OSB. So there's also one down there. So I'm planning on putting a couple more 2x4s, or probably not sure, probably just like a little 2x2. No, not 2x2. I'll probably have to do like a 4x4. Well, I don't know, I'm not sure yet. I'm still determining that. I had to actually get all this sealed up here with the foam, just because there's a lot of issues with this shed. This shed originally was not very sturdy, and you don't see it here, but there's a huge lump right here. That is actually part of the concrete. Concrete, since this is a flood irrigation area, concrete just kind of started dropping like this, because the flood irrigation just went underneath the shed on the west side. And having it on the west side, it kind of just pushed all the water underneath it, and then that's when it started going downhill. I thought about fixing it, but I'm like, yeah, it's pretty sturdy. I know it's kind of moving around a little bit, but it's sturdy enough. I'm not worried about it. So, well, hopefully you guys enjoy. I'm putting on the rest of this right now. So, excited to show you what's next. Two more screws and I'll have to go to another box. Well, everyone, thought you would enjoy that. That side is done. It should take a few more days to get this all situated and whatnot. I'm going to redo the drip edge on this side and we'll kind of go from there. I have to take it off so we can get that siding on, but I'm going to be taking this off since I have tons more left, and this is the old stuff, and I'm not going to have it wrap around. I'm going to get rid of that. It just looks ugly. And on top of that, it just not easy to deal with, and it reduces length. So yeah, so we're going to remove that, get rid of that. Plus there's a ton of holes. I don't want to deal with that. I'm just going to use the new stuff. The new stuff is not as long, but as long as I get all that situated, it should be working there. But well, everyone, I appreciate everybody that joined in and tuned in and watching this. And if you guys want to see more videos from the Deadly Duo Outdoor channel, click subscribe and we will post videos weekly. So hope you guys enjoy, and here is some nice gorgeous views of this afternoon. 72 degrees today in Idaho. Oh look, there's a dog. Oh look! Hi, Kiam. Can you say hi? Yeah.